Okay, you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, what are you excited for?
WWE.
WWE? What is it? It's a WWE package. Come open it. What's inside?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, we're gonna need a little help. Well, while I go get something to open this with, King, why don't you tell them what we're doing today?
WWE.
WWE. And this is King's World, right? Tell them. Tell the camera.
King Wars.
Tell them we're doing an unboxing. Okay, come on. Come sit down. Daddy will help you open it. Your first WWE package, huh?
Toys.
Yeah, is it toys? You do have You should go get your WWE toys.
You want me to get them for you?
Yeah, let's do a break. WWE toys. While we unbox it, I'll go get them.
There you go.
Who was this to?
Yeah.
This was to Little King and the Fresno Nerds.
No.
Little King is a Fresno nerd, huh?
No.
WWE, there they are. Your wrestlers. Woohoo! You ready? Pull them out. What do we get? What's that? Oh, wow, shorts. Cups up. Cups up, dudes. From the Street Profits? Huh? Yup, we got the Street Profits. Oh, what's this? Is this what I think it is?
WWE.
This is a WWE NWO shirt for King. Wow. That is awesome. He's a part of the Wolf Pack now.
Open it.
Yeah, we'll open it. You want to put it on?
Yeah.
You want to change out of your Spider-Man shirt already?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, we'll change you after this. Hold it up. Show the camera. Woohoo! Good job. Here, yeah, there it is. Here, this way. Show it this way. There it is. A 4T for King.
Wow.
Wow, and look at the other one I got. For you. No, it's not Spider-Man, but it's the Ultimate Warrior.
Yep.
Wow, that's cool, huh?
It's like that.
What's the other one?
Wow.
Oh, wow, we got the Latino Heat Pants. Oh, wow. We got the Latino Heat Pants. What else? Last one.
Oh, wow.
And
That one.
Shotzi, the black heart. Got some green and black shorts.
Yeah.
They say eat my tank shorts. That's right. Eat my tank. Yeah. I like them because they're black and green. You know, we nerds. That's it. That's our unboxing for today. Man, they didn't even give us no stickers or nothing. Wow. Next time, WWE gotta hook us up with some stickers. King loves stickers, huh, King? We gotta go try it on, huh? You wanna open it?
Yeah.
You don't wanna wait?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He doesn't wanna wait. Look at this excited guy. You little funny dude. All right, let's do it. You gotta take that one off. Okay? Put this one on. Let's do it. Like Hulk Hogan.
Wow.
Yeah, here. Let's change you.
Change you.
I got it. We got to make sure we don't get your hair messed up. Okay, we're gonna put it right here. Put your other sleeve through. and put your head through. Okay? So we don't mess up your hair. Good job, dude. Oh, hey, look at that buff guy. Show off. Show him your muscles. Flex for the camera. WWE style. Ugh. Son got muscles, huh? Woo-hoo! It fits. Perfect. Show the camera. Come over here, my daddy. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at it. Look at your shirt. He's a part of the wolf pack, dude. Do this. Put your fingers, no, like this. Oh, thumbs up? Yeah, he said thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Huh, son? This is King's World.
Daddy, what's it?
That shirt too? Yeah, son got this shirt too.
Daddy.
Ultimate Warrior.
Off.
Yeah, we're done. Say bye.
Bye.
Check you later.
Tell you later.
Bye, guys. Catch you next time.